Well, cleanup continues in Nova Scotia following last weekend's major snowstorm.
In their house for a few days that we're helping, so it's nice to help out, get what we can done.
Nova Scotians busting out the shovels to clear their driveways following the storm. Premier Tim Houston says crews have put in more than 60,000 hours plowing streets across the province. He says once the cleanup is done, they will be able to determine what more is needed. Cape Breton was hardest hit by the storm, where up to 150 centimeters of snow fell.